Hello, YouTube. It's almost 2 in the morning, and I've just finished doing drawing a page for this comic book I'm doing for Marvel Comics. And I'm not finished yet. The issue is not finished yet, so I have until this weekend to finish. It's always like this for me. Uh, Lately, I've been sleeping very late, and then I wake up early, and then so it goes until I finish a project. And I've been so preoccupied with work that I haven't been really doing much videos here on YouTube the past year. I've been uploading because I still love making videos here on YouTube, but not as often as before. When I made that Hey Baby video a while back, I think it was early 2009 or maybe 2008. I don't even remember now because it was so long ago. YouTube, so long ago. All of a sudden, this thing exploded. Some guy, Ray, uploaded the previewed the video on his channel, and the video got shown on TV and lots of other places. It just exploded, really exploded in my face, and I've had to deal with the circus that followed, and it was actually quite fun. It was quite interesting experience to have so much viewers on my video after being on YouTube since 2006. It was quite a surprise for me, quite an experience. But it was something. It was a reaction to a video that I made a long time ago. It almost forgotten. So it was a kind of a weird thing. Anyway, the real reason why I'm making this video is my comic book Elmer is finally out in the market. No, worldwide. YouTube, Elmer is available worldwide. No, looks pretty much like this one. This one. It's in black and white, but a colored cover and 144 pages. Basically a graphic novel. YouTube, a graphic novel. And it's available at a store, a comic book store near you. Most likely, if your store ordered it, then they would have a copy of this comic book, Elmer. That's for the English-speaking countries. For the French-speaking countries, a French edition of Elmer will also be available in France, rest of Europe, and probably even Canada. Also later this month, around November 17. So it's pretty much all around YouTube. So if you find yourself lost in a comic book store, please feel free to purchase my graphic novel, my comic book. See, a comic book about chickens. So maybe I can share with you another aspect of me aside from that, doing these videos here, crazy nutty videos here in YouTube, which I do for fun anyway. And this is my work. This is what I really do. I do comic books. So that's it. I'll probably find time to make more videos when videos. I'll probably make more time making videos after I finish the project for Marvel Comics. And finally, do the answer video to my Ask a Comicero video, which I uploaded several months ago. I'll get to that eventually. Sorry for the delay in answering your questions, but I will get to them very soon. Okay, YouTube? Bye-bye.